Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. We are going to run through some of the steps which will hopefully help us recover our account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat. In this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually unlock permanently locked Snapchat. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, let's say that you are actually trying to log into your Snapchat account, but maybe you actually recently got banned, or maybe that Snapchat actually locked your account because they noticed some kind of suspicious activity. So we are going to learn how we can unlock it. For that, we want to open any of the browser which we have on our device. Once we open our browser, we want to simply go to support.snapchat.com. So you want to go ahead and simply type in support.snapchat.com and then hit the search button right over here. Once you go to support.snapchat.com, you're going to be taken to this page. Here at the bottom, you want to simply tap on this option which says Troubleshooting. So we're going to tap on Troubleshooting, and here you can see multiple options. And what we are going to do is tap on My Account and Security. So tap on My Account and Security and you'll be taken to this page. Here you can simply tap on Login and Password button at the top. So tap on Login and Password and you can see many of the options. Here you can simply select the option which is called My Account is Locked, which is halfway down the bottom of the screen. So simply tap on My Account is Locked option, and once this menu and this article is going to come up, you want to scroll down to the bottom of the screen until you find the option that says Need help with something else. You want to simply tap on Yes. And here what we can do is you want to simply tap in I cannot access my account. As you tap on I cannot access my account, at the bottom you want to simply go ahead and tap in I think my account was hacked. Now after you tap on I think my account was hacked, you want to scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll find a section which says username, email, mobile number, and what information should we know. So go ahead and enter the username of the Snapchat account that was lost, as well as email and mobile number. And in this box, which is the most important thing, is that what you want to type in is you want to simply tell Snapchat that you think your account was actually hacked and did all those suspicious activities. And if they ask you to require any verification processes such as your citizenship, driver's license, and so on, you can go ahead and give them and submit that. They will usually get back to you within 24 hours and then decide whether to unlock your Snapchat account or not. Hope this video helped you in either way. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.